Barren Falls and Gorge. It's quite deep. I reckon it's about 200 meter down. And there is a train track underneath, if you can spot. Trains are not running today. There's some maintenance problem. It's a train station, Barren Falls train station. And if you can spot the Sky Rail from here.
Some people.
Yes.
People walking around or whatever.
As you can see, Sky Rail right on top. And there's a lookout bridge. A few people on the other side, and we are on this side. As you can see, the waterfall. Beautiful. The gorge behind, Sky Rail behind, lookout behind,
And we're in front.
and we are in the front, and we've got Barren Falls train station down below, underneath us. And this train is like a puffing billy train, but much better, more higher. Absolutely gorgeous. Until next video. We are in Barren Falls, Barren Gorge, and that's a skywalk. Beautifully designed and beautiful, stable,
Free.
and it does not move, and no charge on Rainforest Walk, as you can see. It's pretty deep down. Never seen thickest forest like this anywhere in Australia, or whatever Australia's I've seen. So far, this is the best rainforest. It's extremely dense, thick, and green, and misty, and it's pretty cool. And Lisa's walking, and I'm following her videoing.
We're just having a rest.
I can't walk too much. I have a problem.
He's doing okay.
I'm sick. So I just do 100 meters. It was a little climb. So we're just sitting in this rest area under the shade. And
He'll be fine.
river this way. So when we get to a lookout, we'll have a look, inshallah, video again. Coming to a point where there is a little lookout, and that's the train tracks. Train tracks where you do catch a train and go through the hills, but unfortunately it's not running. It's stopped for maintenance reason. Yeah, Barren Falls station. It's arrived to the lookout point.
That's the end of the
Gorgeous.
track.
That's another track. Yeah,
the
we've got to go
walking
back.
track.
Barren Gorge Hydro. So it's a hydro plant here as well. Ooh. It's This is definitely a beautiful view. Here you go. Uh-huh. Someone's doing a beautiful drone.
Quanti la riesce a farlo andare, Claudio?
Adesso vedo quanto fa.
Wow. That is a view.
They said during the wet season, it's really flows like much harsher. It's actually a dry season at the moment.
Look.
Oh, mezz'anno d'alto.
No, ci sono un po'
Infatti non cambiamo la
Sì, no, devo stanno
You made it. Look, you can touch it.
Yeah, beautiful. It's amazing gorge and waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, yeah. How many needs to be 300 meters down, I believe. Until next video.
We're heading back now. We've seen the
Just having problem walking.
my
A
daddy's
slightly, what do you call it?
slightly.
Yeah, climbing,
Incline.
slight climb. And I'm just taking my time to do at least 10 stops if I want to continue. Walking down is okay. Walking back up is a bit tough. That's how it is, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna continue doing it.
My daddy will
Inshallah.
be around.
Just returned from Barron Gorge and Barron Falls. Or back in the car. And heading home probably. Unless something comes on the way to see, we'll stop. Otherwise we'll go to the hotel. A lot of Australian Aboriginal products.
Crocodile belts, apparently.
Crocodile bells, yeah. Monsoon leather. It's Kuranda Village Shopping Centre. Beautiful dresses for ladies. Clothings. And here you go, souvenir shop. Candy shop. Barron Falls Hotel. It's Kuranda Village Shopping Centre. Just having a big little stroll, and then we head back to Cairns. It's a very Australian product shops. Kangaroos, leather, or crocodile leather, belts and shoes, kind of hats. Coral Coast.
Nothing for us up there. No, we can't eat everything. So
All right then,
let's go back.
let's go back.